The frequency and duration of power outages has risen over 100% in the last decade, costing U.S. businesses over $150 billion annually. That's why mission-critical organizations like healthcare, food and water, supply chain, communications, data center, and transportation industries all require reliable backup power to ensure business continuity in the event of an unplanned power outage. Historically, these mission-critical facilities have relied upon backup diesel gensets, but diesel generators emit harmful local emissions and have a reliability of only 80%, according to the Department of Energy's NREL. That means even a well-maintained emergency diesel generator cannot guarantee emergency power for critical loads during multi-day outages. The good news is there are electrical resiliency solutions that can provide 99.999% combined reliability and reduce local emissions by 10 to 100 times. Enchanted Rock gives your clients a backup power solution that is more reliable, more sustainable, and more neighborhood-friendly than diesel gensets. As a leading provider of microgrid solutions, we offer a robust partner program for architecture, design, and engineering firms who want to provide the best electrical resiliency for their clients. With our partner program, you gain access to a wide range of benefits, including program planning, design and development support, go-to-market support, flexible financing options, and end-to-end project development and operating services. Our experienced program management team will guide you through the entire process, from initial concept to launch. We provide dedicated partner support staff, quarterly education sessions to apply towards your professional development requirements, and marketing support to grow our partnership. We also offer flexible financing options tailored to your needs. And our Microgrid Network Operations Center in Houston, Texas provides 24/7, 365 monitoring, operations, and maintenance. Partnering with Enchanted Rock allows you to provide a superior resiliency solution to your clients, ensuring their facility remains powered during unplanned outages. Offer your clients worry-free outage protection and 99.999% combined reliability with Enchanted Rock microgrids. Visit enchantedrock.com to learn more and speak to a microgrid expert.